Functions of miRNA. There are different functions of miRNA involved. It is involved in the post-transcriptional regulation of gene expression. It is important in the development. It has metabolic regulations. Functions of miRNA. Processing bodies are sites of storage or degradation of the messenger RNA. miRNA loaded RISC complex, when it is attached to the messenger RNA, it do not allow to bind the ribosomes. So in this way, it inhibits the translation of the proteins. So here, once the miRNA binds to the messenger RNA, it prevents of the ribosomal initiation. So no more ribosome will attach to the messenger RNA. So it means there is no translation of the proteins. A long list of the miRNAs have been identified and their functions have been studied. Like here are some of the examples. In case of miRNA 15 or MIR16, they have function about the apoptosis. So this is the list of other miRNAs that have been identified, and this is the list of their functions, that what kind of functions these miRNAs perform in the cells. miRNA function as tumor suppressor as well as oncogenes. miRNA can function as tumor suppressor as well as oncogenes. Gene therapies that use miRNA might be an effective approach to block the tumor progression. miRNA such as, these are the examples of their function, miRNA such as LET7, which has been shown to negatively regulate the RAS oncogenes, and MIR15 and MIR16, which negatively regulate the BCL2, are the promising candidate for the cancer treatment. There are different methods that how tumor suppressor and oncogenes are regulated by the miRNA. So this is the normal tissue, in which normal tissue, the mature miRNA, it binds to the messenger RNA and it blocks the translation. While in this diagram, we can see that microRNA is functioning as tumor suppressor gene. So it suppresses, it works as the tumor suppressor gene. So on the other hand, in addition to tumor suppressor gene, microRNA also functions as the oncogene. So microRNA, it can block the translation. It can function as tumor suppressor gene. It can function as oncogene. In addition to this, microRNA also functions as developmental switches, like in the form of SL and ACER. So these are the developmental switches. So microRNA, they function as developmental switches. MicroRNA also have the functions in gene silencing in plants and in animals. In this case, there is a translation repression. Here we can see that MIRISC complex, once MIRISC complex attaches to the messenger RNA, it represses the translation. While in this case, endonucleolytic cleavage and mRNA degradation, that once the miRISC complex attached to the messenger RNA, it degrades the messenger RNA. So miRNA can function in the form of gene silencing in plants and animals, either by translational repression or by the degradation of the messenger RNA. Functions of the microRNA that is involved in the post-transcriptional or post-translational modifications, and it also have metabolic regulation of the genes.